Hello guys, today I am going to sing a song and this is a very common song. The title of the song is What a Friend We Have in Jesus, and I am going to sing this song in my own dialect. Why the song is so special to me and why the song is my favorite is because whenever I'm feeling sad, whenever I'm feeling lonely, I sing this song and it really gives me joy and comfort in my heart. I just feel like Jesus is right next to me and I just feel the joy and comfort in my heart. So I'll be singing that song and yeah, sing along with me. I'll be giving the English subtitle on the video and Angami lyrics in the description below. So please sing along with me and let us all praise Jesus together. Jisu